In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Netflix not loading on the Fire Stick. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that your Fire Stick is connected to internet, and you can also go to settings, network, and check your connection. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and restart your Fire TV. Also go to netflix.com/status to check if the servers are up and running. If not, you might need to simply go ahead and wait. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and clear your Netflix cache and data. In order to do that, just go to settings, application, and manage installed application. Select Netflix and then clear your cache. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and try to force stop and reopen your Netflix application, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If it doesn't, your application might have pending updates. Simply go ahead and click on update and it should go ahead and work. If it is your internet connection having issues, then you might need to unplug your router, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for it to reconnect. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and put your date and time to automatic or even reinstall Netflix. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.